channel, and I know I haven't been uploading a video for like a week now because my grandfather has just passed away and I have to cope up with it. And probably, as you can notice, I look so tired because underneath this makeup is just a really tired person. I'm not having a pretty good sleep lately, but you know, life goes on. I know he would be happy because I'm still doing what I love, and I know that he is proud of me. Anyways, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own DIY jelly soap, which is super satisfying. This is super fun to do, super fun to make. I mean, everything's just so easy and everything's just so fun. So who wouldn't want to do this? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And without further ado, let's just get started to making the jelly soap. So for the jelly soap, you will be needing a liquid soap, a gelatin powder which is unflavored and uncolored, your choice of food coloring, and of course a cute container to mold your product in. So first thing, take out a mixing bowl and a pot of boiling hot water, then pour the water into the bowl and then mix in the gelatin powder and mix it until everything is dissolved. Now, take out your liquid soap and pour it into the mixture and just mix it all together until everything is combined. Now, take out a little bit of your food color so we can spice everything up. I'm just mixing it all up and mix until everything is set. The color might look so intense in the video, but it is not in person and it won't get on your hands. And also, as much as you mix the liquid, the more that it will form bubbles because it is basically a soap. After that, put your mixture slowly down the bowl, fill it all up, and don't worry about the bubbles because we can get rid of that later. I forgot to mention that you'll also be needing a rubbing alcohol. Spray that to the bubbles so we can go pop them. And look how satisfying this is. I mean, just so cool. So cool. And after that, just leave it and let it set for hours or more and done. In my case, I put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours and just look how cool and satisfying this turned out. I mean, it's so soft, it's so firm, so bubbly, and so fun. Oh my god, I'm just so in love with this. And of course, cutting this was just the best thing ever. I mean, if this isn't satisfying, then I don't know what is anymore. So to test this all out, I put on mascara on my hands and let's see if these soaps can actually wash them. And oh my god, this is so fun. I can't stop playing. Like, oh my god, this is so cute. And also, I found no other way to use this jelly soap, so I'm just cutting them into small pieces. Then I took out a little Ziploc bag, putting few insides, and here I am just poking some holes to serve as a ventilation. I went draining them by pushing them downwards and wiping them dry. And after that, I just poke a large hole at the top like what you can see here. I put in a ribbon and you can see what I'm kind of doing, and it should look like this. So I decided to put it on my air conditioner's vent using that ribbon just because it smells that good, and that's about it. So that is about it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below and also click that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to tap the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Am I talking? Am I talking so fast? I don't know. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. All my links are down below. And yeah, that is about it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye! What did I do? Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. I got no rules, I count 'em.